Hello, and thank you for your interest in this session. My name is Kevin Carl, and I'm the Group Vice President of Oracle Hospitality's Global Consulting Practice. In this session, I will share with you an overview of a typical journey to the cloud, as well as some of the recent changes that we have made to address evolving market needs for installation and professional services. By the end of this session, you should be able to understand the path to the Oracle Cloud Suite, which is our platform for innovation. Be aware of adaptations that we've made to better address marketplace demands, and know about key improvements we've made to deliver an enhanced experience to you, the lifeblood of our business, our customers, and to your guests. First, if you're unfamiliar with Oracle Hospitality Consulting, I'd like to share a few highlights with you about our practice. We are the definitive product experts on our cloud products. We have seen it all. If problems arise, we're best qualified to troubleshoot, working directly with Oracle development, engineering, and cloud operation organizations where required to get things back on track for you. We know the cloud. We're the most experienced delivery team, delivering 10 to 20 Opera Cloud go lives per week. We have a global footprint of Oracle consultants as well as third-party partners. We are constantly innovating, and over the past year, we have made substantial investments in tools and automation to improve efficiency, increase quality, and lower costs. In some cases, our tools save over 90% of the time and effort per property that it used to take for a typical installation. These tools also increase data accuracy and adherence to change standards. We know many client situations are nuanced, and we are flexible. We're a one-stop shop, able to advise, sign up for, and deliver outcomes all under one roof. You might be thinking that the journey to the cloud is complicated. In this graphic, starting in the lower left-hand corner in blue, working your way through exploring and evaluating options, selecting a platform and a partner, mobilizing, planning, configuring, testing, cutting over, et cetera, it may seem complicated. Using our methods, we make the journey to the cloud simple. While some paths are more complicated than others, our methods center on some key fundamentals and share a common path that we will focus on in this session, namely 5 key steps: plan, configure, train, go live, and transition to support. In the planning phase, you're exploring and evaluating options, making a selection and contracting. You're mobilizing and scheduling resources, and then conducting a series of workshops to address the particulars of your situation. Things like application settings and controls, defining users, roles, and permissions, defining what logos and stationery should look like, and defining reporting and analytics requirements, as well as local interface needs. In the configuration phase, we're extracting property information into a workbook that contains and defines your target configuration. We then import this configuration into the cloud instance, creating the property users and configuring interfaces. In the training phase, property resources are training and preparing for go live using a suite of online training and collaboration tools. In going live, the property is cutting over to the cloud, and then we are connecting interfaces and conducting deployment validation checks. We train on the transition to support, and we seek feedback via a survey. This survey feedback is extremely important to us, and we hope when you do cut over that you'll give us the benefit of your very candid feedback. And in support, business as usual resumes, albeit now with new capabilities and all the benefits of the cloud. And any open items are worked and addressed. Supporting all of these steps are well-defined checklists and processes that make this journey simpler. Let's talk about a few of these in detail. Regarding planning, we've heard the marketplace ask for simplified means of contracting and engaging work, and we're listening. I want to highlight a few of the improvements that we've made and are making to address these needs. Since the arrival of COVID, we've shifted our delivery from approximately 40% remote delivery to more than 90% remote delivery. Now, remote delivery reduces costs and simplifies scheduling. We've created new SKUs for professional services. These are new SKUs that enable you to purchase our services in smaller units of time and are available for purchase on shop.oracle.com. Following marketplace demand for predictability, we've launched fixed price SKUs in Latin America. In addition, we've launched an all-inclusive SKU in JPAC that includes both the subscription fees and services. And we're excited about launching this globally. As for SSL certificate needs, we recently launched a new SKU that bundles services into an easy-to-purchase package. Also, we know in the rebound from COVID shutdowns that many of you are eager to get going. So in order to support this demand, we are scaling our team in order to more rapidly engage the work collectively in front of us. All of these improvements result in a faster move to the cloud. Now, we've heard in the marketplace that properties want to reuse to the extent possible their existing configuration when moving to the cloud. In some cases, we've heard demands to adopt new brand standards and configuration when making the move to the cloud. We're addressing these needs and making it faster and more reliable to configure properties in a few key ways. First, we've leveraged Zoom and other remote tools to accelerate configuration tasks through online collaboration. We've created multiple options to migrate all, some, or none of existing configurations, and the result in some cases is a savings of over 90% of the time and effort per property it might typically take for an installation or migration. In addition, this increases data accuracy and adherence to brand standards. To improve the quality of outcomes, we have developed and deployed a tool that reviews customer workstation configuration before the migration to ensure that it's correct, potentially saving countless hours of troubleshooting. All of these improvements result in a faster, higher quality move to the cloud at a reduced cost. Regarding training, we have leveraged Oracle University as a world-class platform to deliver training globally with greater adaptability. In addition, we've created digital learning options by role to allow customers to train without relying on in-person or classroom training, thereby enabling lower costs and allowing access to strong content that will address attrition or retraining in the future. These improvements result in giving you more flexibility and higher quality outcomes in your journey to the cloud. Regarding go lives, our introduction of new options for net new or reducing the need to migrate historical data is reducing downtime and costs. And for multi-property clients, as small as chains of say 10 to 15 hotels, we've enabled a pod approach to rollouts. In other words, a remote shared services model for deployment that distributes the cost per hotel over a group of hotels going through deployment together. These adaptations can make the deployment move much faster with simpler contracting and increased savings. And the result is faster and more cost-effective move to the cloud. Finally, regarding support, We've made substantial improvements, such as creating a global support team that's dedicated to supporting Opera Cloud. Also, we've launched an online community dedicated to Opera Cloud where you can learn about new products, features, best practices, interact with your peers, and our support professionals. We've also implemented a new handoff process as our consulting engagement ends and your live support begins. This will help you by setting up your online access to My Oracle support and getting you ready for business as usual. In addition, we've assigned cloud success managers to work with all of our Opera Cloud customers. We care about quality and we want you supported. And these cloud success managers are a great addition to help you in your post-cloud support journey. The result of all of these improvements is better support, increased self-sufficiency, and greater autonomy. Oracle Hospitality Consulting is truly a global organization. We have more than 580 consultants globally, complemented by a host of partners. We are delivering remotely, and we're eager to help you get back to the business of hosting your guests. We are the world's largest team of Oracle Hospitality specialists. We use proprietary utilities to navigate product configuration with a focus on automation and simplicity. Our experts cover all related disciplines to ensure seamless delivery for you. And we are the only service organization with direct access to all key lines of business within Oracle Hospitality, such as development, strategy, product management, support, and Oracle's own cloud team. Remember, your journey to the cloud unleashes the power of the Oracle Cloud Suite, including all of the power of the Oracle Hospitality Integration Platform, or OHIP, which I'm sure you've heard a lot about during this conference. Think of it as a whole new palette of paint colors for you and your organization to paint a rich picture of future guest experiences for your guests. I want to leave you with 3 key takeaways. First of all, innovation. We can get you to the cloud, a platform for open innovation, faster than any other service partner. Second, adaptation. We're listening and we're adapting to market needs just as you are. Faster, better value for money, and with a focus on quality. Finally, growth. We can help you grow with the benefits of the Oracle Cloud Suite. Cloud unlocks a whole new world of benefits. Our professional services team is ready to help you make the most of the power of the cloud. Thank you for your time today, and we'll see you in the marketplace.